So today we are going to make homemade butter. Isn't that right? So for this experiment, I had to call in the muscles. Okay, so for this experiment, we are just using a mason jar and some heavy whipping cream. And this isn't actually, this mason jar is actually just a recycled spaghetti jar from Aldi. So just whatever you have. I have some actual canning jars, but I thought this was a good recycled use for this. And we're just gonna get started. Okay, so we are going to pour in about halfway. You wanna pour it in, Becky? So you're gonna pour in about half of the jar. It may take all of it. I'm not sure. Yeah, just about half. Okay. That's good. How much you got left?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay, that's fine. All right. Put the lid back on. We want to have plenty of room to be able to shake it. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of salt because we like salted butter, but you're welcome to use it without it. All right. Here's to add a lot. Now we shake. All right. Are you making butter? Shake, 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 muscles, muscles, muscles. Okay, so we had to switch jars because ours started leaking. So yeah, just use a mason jar. Oh yeah, we are making butter. Shake it hard. We're taking turns. So after just a little bit, we opened it just to see what was going on. And what is that, Blake? What did we talk about it being? What's it called?
Whipped cream.
It's whipped cream now, yep. But we're trying to make butter.
I shake it like sideways, that way it hits the bottom.
Then you put your teenagers to work shaking. Making butter. Making butter. You making butter, Connor?
I think so. I like biscuits.
Okay. All right, watch what you're doing. Don't watch me. All right, we're pouring out the milk. There we go. And we strained it, and then we strained it, and we just took it in a separate bowl and just rinsed it off. The instructions said to rinse it off until the water was clear, just getting all the milk out, and then that was what we were left with. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Butter?
Mm-hmm.